Assalamualaikum. I hope all my brother and sister are very well. I come back with another tutorial video. This video make for a new mindset. If you want to know this, please keep watching my video and stay with me. First of all, I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Crypto and Travel. I have to one part tutorial uploaded in this site and other related travel related video uploaded. If you get the received information, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notification very fastly. I always time uploaded the new video related site. So if you want to trusted mining site, please first of you might click on this any one video and click on this pop-up menu. Yes, so you will be easily join this get this information about any video. Okay, so I make this video on another mining site. This if you this site, you need to have a Faucet Pay account. If you have not a Faucet Pay account, you cannot mining at this site. And is a Faucet Pay account joining me. Every video I was try to the Faucet Pay account related information. So you can run video in this site. I also recommended to you. You must be follow this pop-up panel. You will be easily join this site and how to join this Faucet Pay account. How to create this Faucet Pay account. Always time and you get easily. Okay, so that's the information about this site. So and also request you please join my Telegram, which name is BTS Shopshi gift card exchange your phone miner. If you want to increase your miner, please share your hash card and gift card in my Telegram group. You can share your spider card, rock card, other card. You can share in my Telegram group. You can easily update your mining in this site. Okay, and increase your mining power. So now I go to my main topic. This site name is Doge Miner. It's crypto investment. You can deposit in this site. It's not needed, but if you increase your mining power in this site, you can deposit this. I recommend it to you. It's your wishes. Okay, so don't miss out. It's how to join this is very simple of this site, but you need to have a Faucet Pay account. I recommended you can choose your any one video and more and go to video description box. You easily get this link. Okay, so Faucet Pay account needed to for your every mining. So I hope you must be joining this Faucet Pay account and create this. Okay, here is a Doge Miner. You know Doge price, how many price in this cryptocurrency. So Doge video I already uploaded in this site. It's a cloud-based mining site. So it's simply joining this site. Okay, so mining crypto are available here. Doge cloud mining. Cloud mining technology investment simple, fast and reliable. If you choose this, you can easily read this all information about this site. Otherwise, it's not needed. Every site is come to 3 months or 1 month, and then they all go from errand. So here is already how many member joining this site. We can was this already how many register in this site and how many paid this doggy in this site. Okay, so deposit sorry, it's a deposit and it's a paid already. This site paid it how many doggy in this site. Okay, already 4 days this site this site. So it's very simple how to join this. Very simple of this joining this site. First of come to my video description. Okay, so click this more option. Okay, and click this refer free registration link. Here is a doggy link available in this site. Okay, so don't be worried. Now click on this extra investment. You need to have a Faucet Pay account with this. There is some instruction to before starting when you must be Faucet Pay account. Okay, you type your email address. Okay, so I click my type my email address. Okay, so here is my email address. So now I go to there is a this option start mining. Okay, it's working. Alhamdulillah, my account already created. When I join this site, I get a 2 GS for free. Another information, if you joining their Telegram group, you will get a 2 GS for free. Yeah, so mining already running. So every day profit already show you, and also information about this. Here is a into the my history. If you click this my history, then you can click this also dark your option. Okay, so the theme already changes. It's simple. If you like white, you can click. If you dark, choose this. Okay, so very simple. Here is the account history option. My GS power already deep. Okay, so deposit. If you want to buy or deposit this site, you can click this option. Withdraw option. I have now withdraw from this site. This site pay out to initial. Okay, so you need to have Faucet Pay, otherwise you cannot use it. If you proper option, just simply click this option and click this change this one and now buy option. It automatically go to your Faucet Pay account. So I have to pay this. Click this option, Faucet Pay. So firstly working, otherwise you'll miss it. Okay, so I hope this video is useful to you. So if you choose this TRX or other Faucet Pay, you can so click this option and process to payment. Okay, so another complete this payment. I hope there's the very useful to you. So that's the information of this site. Please like my video and stay with me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.